Hi friends, welcome to WP Themes channel, a channel dedicated to WordPress theme, plugins, its demo import, troubleshooting guide, and all the activities of WordPress which we need to do. So I am today with a very elegant theme called Ebrima. Ebrima theme. Ebrima is a minimal creative WooCommerce WP theme. So Ebrima is developed by the Web Genius Lab in 2019 only. So, and regular updates are also being done. Let us take a quick look of Ebrima demo page. Ebrima got 3 or 4 home pages in fact. So this is home page main, and I'll just reload it for you. Yes, it is main Ebrima homepage, and it got a wonderful look and even pop-up newsletter section. It is minimal, as I told you, and having a stunning and modern look. You can see the hover effects are there, so it is attracting, and call to action is very impressive here. I have seen first time like this effect, and the 2 flick images of shop products, and fine different ways. Yeah, so we can take a look of internal pages as well. About us page, for an example, Ebrima. This theme is called Ebrima, and this is the about us page of Ebrima. Yes, it is actually very good, and you can see the social connects how coming and the stylish way. And blog page, you can see blog page, and blog list is also having very nice look. Portfolio, 2 columns. So I'll give a link in the video description. Just go through it and you can feel the theme which you are going to take for your website, and it is really nice if you have planned to build a online shop website and which is related to fashion or product like these things. That is a wonderful selection, and you can go with this. Now we just left the shop page, so we can have a look of shop page as well. Yeah, then this is the shop page with default filtering, and filters is there on the page. My internet is somehow working in slow speed today. Products has been showcased in very nice manner on the shop page, and you can see the effects of loading. It is lazy load is enabled in this thing. So now we can move for installing the Ebrima WordPress theme. This is the theme, and it is also available on WP theme website. If you need this, you can grab the opportunity to have it from there. And I have the fresh installation of WordPress, in which the 2020 default WordPress theme is installed, and I got the Ebrima folder, theme pack folder, in which I got chat theme, Ebrima WP documentation, licensing, and the theme. Now we can start the installation. Just go to the WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, upload theme, browse, Ebrima theme zip pack, you can select it, and if you have the cPanel access, you should have, I believe, so you can directly upload it on your hosting. So WP content themes, upload, select Ebrima, and it is a bit big size and it will take around 2-3 minutes, so you can wait, and it is not taking long, in fact. So it has been uploaded, and let it turn into green so that we may go back. Yes, now extract the Ebrima zip, reload this, and we got the Ebrima folder with all the theme components in this folder here. Now we can delete the zip folder, we are not going to use it further. So come to the WordPress dashboard and theme section. Here we have now Ebrima WordPress theme. If we go to the details, so Ebrima 1.1.8 is here, and the basic information. This is the theme, and we have to activate it. And as soon as you activate it, you will get alert for the begin necessary plugin, and click on begin installing plugins. So I list of plugins are here. I always used to tell you that core should be installed very first, and the page builder in second, and this is in order, in fact. So we will install all the plugins one by one, but not at once, because if any error comes, it will be difficult to rectify. So first of all, install Ebrima core. Activate page builder, activate. It will take you to the landing page of Visual Composer, I believe. Refresh this page. Yes, it is the basic setting of Visual Composer. Once you install, it goes to the landing page of Visual Composer. So we need to come back on the same screen of installing plugins. Now contact form 7 is here. Install. Activate contact form 7. Revolution slider. Activate revolution slider. And now we have the remaining part of WooCommerce and its subordinate plugins. So we will install first WooCommerce. activate WooCommerce, and once you activate WooCommerce you need to go a simple setup of WooCommerce. So we will do that first, and then we will install rest of the plugins related to WooCommerce. I am putting just sample lines. You should put the original one. You have to select Ebrima, continue with my active theme here, and no need to install Jetpack for the time being. And we have to come again on the install plugin screen and begin installing plugin. Then install rest of the subordinate plugins of WooCommerce, WooCommerce variations swatches. Okay. Activated WooCommerce variation swatches. WooCommerce quick view YITH. YITH WooCommerce wishlist, and in this manner we have installed all the plugins along with the theme. And now we can take a look up our website, how it is looking after the theme, with the theme and plugins. It is looking simple as it is, because we don't have any demo data with this. So next step should be importing the demo content to make the website like this. So in the theme options you'll get the demo importer option. Just click on that. And you got all the options here. So you have to choose according to your need, and we will install the main demo out of 3 available here. Click on import demo, and it will take a bit time because it is going to import all the media files and the pages, post and all these things. So progress bar is here, so it is showing 0 as of now. Just wait and watch, don't leave this page, don't try to refresh or whatever. The screen will show like this: import is completed. When once you reach the 100%, it has been done, and we can take a look of website now. Now the wonderful Ebrima website, your upcoming website with Ebrima theme is here, live with all the effects as you've seen in the demo, and here it is, the stunning look website. We have done it completely and all functions are working fine as of now. You can see the impact of this theme. So we can take a look of inner pages as well, how it is working. So this is about us page, and it is also very good as we've seen in the demo. It is same thing. So shop types, shop classic, we can see, just to confirm everything is working fine or not. Shop is here with the right sidebar. And yes, it is, all the products are here. You can edit or even delete all products and put your original ones. So your website is ready with a stunning look, and you can start your online shop with this layout and just put your original contents here. And you can start using this layout in no time. Now we have completed the installation and demo import of Ebrima theme, and we can have a short look of the theme options which are available with this theme. So you can control your website from here. These are the options: the general, header, page title, footer, copyright, settings, copyright, blog portfolio, team, page 404, I am blog, archive, single portfolio, and all these things. Social shares, color options. So you have color options as well, so you can change the theme main layout of our main color of the theme. Typography, shop, demo importer is already we have seen. So these are the things available on the website panel. So you got a new website today with a Ebrima theme, and continue watching this channel. I am going to bring some more stunning look for your websites. I mean, I'll be with new themes very soon, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, because you are going to get important tips as well and the videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.